A video yesterday talking about the correlation between the capital rotation in Bitcoin and silver and gold. You know, I don't think a lot of people have fully understood this yet, but I think it's going to be a very important role in this market. It may not be a coincidence today that silver has been trying to start its uptrend here again and trying to break out. Maybe if we go to a better chart, you might see it better. But you can see this 3 day, and we're trying to break out here to the upside on silver. And the fact that Bitcoin is possibly topping out or moving into a consolidation base. Well, the large volume here today suggests that something might be changing in the markets, or it could be putting in a bit of a short-term top. So to me, again, it's kind of backing up that video that I made yesterday about the correlation in the capital rotation. I probably should say the correlation between Bitcoin and gold and silver, and then the capital rotation and the different cycles. Um, I don't think it's a coincidence that this is breaking up today out of this base, and Bitcoin can potentially, well, it's had one of the largest volumes in Bitcoin's history as money comes back out of Bitcoin and goes into gold and silver. It's not a coincidence. It's capital rotation from the whales, just like we talked about. Now, the strategy still states that we can still go higher here. You just need to look for, it's a warning sign, and you need to look for a short above this somewhere. It doesn't give you exact times or whatever, but above this you got to keep an eye out for a potential short. It's a warning sign. Now the dimensions in this market have changed a bit because the amount of institutions buying and stuff, but you cannot ignore a volume like this. It's just too important and needs to be kept an eye on and looked at closely and followed and just see the reaction of this. Are we going to dip off this? Are we gonna grind back higher to new highs and then look for a short? Are we going to move into a larger consolidation base for maybe a period, before that next leg higher? But there's signs here that something is happening. Now look at silver. You can get two of these in a row. Look at this. Silver came in and had another one in a row, and it just kept grinding higher. And it was not the top, but these volumes were a sign that the top was close. And you can see after the second one, if you shorted above after the second one, you could have found a decent short entry for that drop back down. This is what we're kind of getting into here. Yes, there could be another day higher and another huge candle, but it's a sign that you need to be alert and aware in this market.